Hello students, you are most welcome in my channel. I am Suraj, I am a teacher, and today I would like to show you how to join a course in Great Learning app. And if you are new students, so please subscribe my channel for more videos. And then you can see first you have to open your Great Learning app. So you can see here are the some options in right down in bottom. You can say home, search, my course, program, and profile. So you have to search if you would like to join a new course. So you have to type your course name. Okay, so you can type for example English speaking, MS Excel, and much more. Ethical hacking, and then you have to search. So it will show you all the courses related ethical hacking. So as you can see, first is the you can see free course. So students, I would like to tell you this is the free course. So you have good opportunity to improve your skills for getting a good and better job. Okay, so this course is free for getting job. So first you can see introduction to ethical hacking. So if you would like to join a course, so first you have to know what is the introduction and what is the ethical hacking. So if you complete this course, then you can improve your skill. So you can join then ethical hacking, mobile platform and network architecture. So first you have to join in introduction to ethical hacking. So for example, you have to click on it. So they will show you first what is the course and what they will teach you. Okay, and you can say what will you learn from this course. So as you can read and as you can see, introduction to ethical hacking, this free introduction to ethical hacking course will teach you the fundamentals of ethical hacking. The goal of the course is to make you aware of ethical threats, the process and a range of domains where it is used. Okay, so it's a ethical hacking threats. Okay, so you can see 1.6 lakh learner and it's a beginner, and you can see rating 4.48, and then you will scroll down. So you can see enroll for free. Okay, so you can enroll for free and you can see certificate. This is the for example, and you can see first is the logo, and you can say name is written here of Great Learning. So and then you can see certificate of completing presented to, and you will see your name if you will complete this course. Okay, and if you have any doubts, so you can ask any question. Okay, what you are, etc. Okay, if you have any doubts, so you can ask to them. So it will show you what you learn in introduction to ethical hacking. So first they will show you introduction, then process, then ethical hacking, then domains under ethical hacking, and then BWAPP. Okay, so these are the some important tools for becoming ethical hacker. So you have to join. So you have to click on it, enroll for free. So you have to click once, and then you have to just wait for some second, hold on, and then loading, and then you will see all the course detail, and you can find notes about this course. So it's taking some time, and then so this is the all detail about your course. So you have to click on it and watch all the videos. So first you can see agenda, second is what is the hacking, third is computer security threats, fourth is goals of ethical hacking. It's a 1 minute time, 8 minute, 5 minute, 50 second. So these are the time duration. So you have to click on it, and then it will start, and you will watch the video and complete all the videos according to time, and then you have to give a test and get your certificate. So this is the example. As you can see, name is.
In this tutorial, we're learning a lot of different things related to ethical hacking, such as what is hacking, all the threats there are to hacking, all the skill sets that might be needed, the whole process of ethical hacking. Then you'll be learning about a lot.
So this is the for example. So you can watch all the videos for completing your course, and then you have to give one test. It's an online test, and then if you pass the test, so you will get your certificate, and you can add in your CV, resume for getting a good job related to your ethical hacking. So you can see here is a quiz. It's like a test. So you have to give the test, and then you can claim your certificate of this course. Okay, so this is the process, and I hope you all like the video. So like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.